Using McDonald's employee discount on the app is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm gonna teach you how you guys can use McDonald's employee discount in the app. The process is pretty simple. So as you know, McDonald's app is available and you can actually download the app and log in. However, once you are trying to log in, you just have to make sure to use the same email which you are using in your employment purpose. Suppose you have gave one of your email while you were getting employed at McDonald's. That email is actually registered to McDonald's and now you will be getting some of the employee discount on that email. So you just have to go to McDonald's app, log in or create an account with the same email that you have gave to McDonald's given to McDonald's. Once you have that, you just have to go to your deals section or rewards section. There you go. You'll be able to see a lot of employee discounts or a lot of employee deals without having to do anything. Just use the same email, go to the deals, and there you go. You'll be able to avail all of the employee discounts and get those right there on the McDonald's app. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.